The Statue of Unity, from vision to wonder. In the heart of Gujarat, India, stands a monument so colossal that it leaves visitors awestruck, the Statue of Unity. Towering at 182 meters, 597 feet, it is the tallest statue in the world, nearly twice the height of the Statue of Liberty. But beyond its height lies a story that captured the imagination of an entire nation. Dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, India's Iron Man and the architect of national unity, the statue is more than just a tribute. It's a symbol of strength, vision and unity. Sardar Patel played a key role in uniting over 560 princely states to form a single India after independence. Yet for decades, his contribution remained under-celebrated. In 2010, the idea of building a statue in his honor was proposed by Narendra Modi, then Chief Minister of Gujarat. Skeptics called it impossible. Critics questioned the need, but the dream moved forward. Engineers, architects, and workers from all over India came together, not just to build a statue, but to build history. It took 5 years, over 3,000 workers, and the use of cutting-edge engineering to complete the project. On October 31, 2018, the statue was unveiled on Sardar Patel's 143rd birth anniversary. The location was chosen carefully, on a river island called Sadhu Bet, near the Sardar Sarovar Dam on the Narmada River. Soon, the Statue of Unity became a viral phenomenon, not just in India, but globally. Videos of drones capturing its gigantic silhouette, selfies from the high-speed lifts inside, and panoramic views from the statue's chest-level gallery flooded the internet. Today, it's more than a monument. It's a tourist magnet, a source of national pride, and a reminder that no dream is too big. In just 1 year, it attracted over 2 million visitors, more than the Statue of Liberty. The Statue of Unity isn't just a statue. It's a story of unity, vision, and unstoppable spirit. From doubt to wonder, from blueprint to reality, it proves one thing. India doesn't just build monuments, it builds miracles.